the moon. Hello kids, today we are sticky under applesauce under. Bye bye kids, I'm just coming back. Hey, subscribe, like and share please. Something with it. It is fruit or cookie cutters, and these are green stuff for taking out the shape of the watermelon, because when the shape is inside the watermelon, push it out so it can get in the plate. So, and we got something else. We got 2 packets of some forks, animal forks, and we got something to cut with. We got cantaloupe and watermelon. Let's cut it. I couldn't cut it by myself, so we need a grown-up help. Okay, kids, I'll tell you all of the cutter shapes. They got tortoises, dinosaur stars, flowers, and ducks, whales, onions or jellyfishes, hearts, and more hearts. Hearts and more tiny hearts, and some mouses, and even some mushrooms, and some rabbits, funny stars, and a giant star, another flower, a small flower, and another mouse, and a giant circle, and a giant flower, and another small flower. Now let's get going. We got this heart shape. Okay kids, we take it out, so now we're gonna move it into the plate. Push it out. There we go. You see that heart? We got the first one. Now this one. We got it here. We got this one. Time for the big flower. Let's see. Okay, let's take it out. This is Mickey Mouse heart, giant flower, circle. We're gonna put the circle right here. Just take it out. And now we're gonna do. Okay, now there. Mickey Mouse heart, giant flower, giant circle. Now we are going to do this, a jellyfish. Now we got the onion or baby jellyfish. Let's do the turtle and the dinosaur together. Let's do the turtle and dinosaur together. Okay. First we're going to do turtle. Let's do it inside a tray. Okay. There's the tortoise. We just need to do the dinosaur right there. Woohoo, the dinosaur. Let's do the flower in the cantaloupe. We're gonna do this right. Oopsies. Now we're going to do the hammer out. Now we're going to do this duck E. Ooh. We got this. Oh, we first do the flower right there. Now the ducky. Now we're going to do this wheel. So now we're going to take out the wheel. Let's do next one. The star. There's the star. Let's get some small cantaloupes now. Okay, we take out the Mickey Mouse. Now we're gonna push it. Okay, now this giant star. It's like a star hyper giant. Okay, now we take that out. Honeycomb here and there. It is another flower. So now we are doing no. Mickey Mouse again. I'll just do cantaloupe now. Right there, because that's the last cantaloupe, and then we're going to just. Now we're going to put the mushroom. Okay, this is the last one because we didn't do this yet, so last. And now, okay, 3, 2, 1. We got all of them straight. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is Mickey Mouse. This is heart. This is a giant flower. This is a circle. This is a duck. This is a flower. This is a dinosaur. This is a turtle. This is a turtle. This is an onion or baby jellyfish. This is another flower. This is a giant star. This is another tiny Mickey Mouse. This is a tiny star, and this is a tiny round circle. This is a tiny flower. This is a rabbit. This is a mushroom, and this is another Mickey Mouse. I'm so hungry. I want to eat all of the shapes, but not yet. We are using the fork. So we're going to do the giraffe. Now we're going to put all of the sticks in there. Okay, we're having. This is quite hard to pick. And even got some doggies and foxes. Oh, the fox is too slippery. Now let's do the fox. We got some bears, the bear, and we got another fox, the lion, maybe elephants. Ready to eat, kids. Yum. Now let's eat cantaloupe. Bye, kids. I'm gonna eat some more. Bye. Hey, subscribe, like, and share, please.